This is Raven, trying out the water for the first time. It's December 5th, 2013. She's the second one to ever try out the water. First one was Draco. Pen just got a good cleaning. They made a mess. That's Jinx and Luna. Luna's the one on bottom. Jinx is the one on top. These two, Casper and Pumpkin. Casper's the one pulling on the tail, and Pumpkin's taking it like a champ. That's Miss Jinx playing with a toy. That's Luna. And over there's Draco. It's Jinx. And it's Raven wanting out. I just had free time to run the backyard while I cleaned, and she's not happy about being put away. It's Pumpkin playing with a toy. And that's Jinx.